Hello children, in this class let's study about multiplication of the numbers with two-digit numbers. First let's do without regrouping. We already know without regrouping means we will not get any carries to take over to the next place. For example, if we have the numbers 12 multiplied with 23. If we have numbers 12 multiplied with 23, what we will do, as like the previous sum, we will multiply the first two digits. Right? First, we will multiply first two digits. 3 2s is 6. Right? 3 2s is 6. And next what we will do, we will multiply the number with 3 1s. 3 2s is 6. 3 1s is 3. No, so we finished one number which is 3. Initially you need to forget this number. You need to forget this number and multiply. 3 2s is 6. 3 1s is 3. This one we already did in the previous exercise, which is multiplication of a two digit with one digit, right? Now, after we have one more number, what we have to do before going to this 2? Before going to this 2, we need to go to the next line. We need to go to next line and write 1 plus here. We need to go to the next line and write plus. Then start the second number, which is 2 2s. Next number, write next line with plus. Then go to 2 2s. How much is 2 2s? It is 4. Right? 2 2s is 4. And number below the number, you can observe it is in a straight line. First number 2, 3, 6 and plus. All are in a straight line. Second number 1, 2, 3, 4. All are in a straight line again. Once we finish 2 2s, still 1 is there again. 2 and 1. 2 1s is 2. And with one finger gap, you have to write here. We have one finger gap on each numbers. After writing this much, now add the numbers. 6, 3 plus 4 is 7 and 2. So the answer, which is 12 multiplied with 23, is 276. I will show you one more example. This question can be written like this also. 24 multiplied by 24 multiplied by 12 I will take. 24 multiplied by 12. Now what we have to do first? This question, we have written one below the other, right? Instead of like this way also we can write. Both are correct only. First we need to multiply 2 4s. First we need to multiply 2 4s is 8. 2 4s is 8. After finishing 4, 2 2s is 4. Now we have finished one number. Before going to the second number, we need to write plus in the next line. We need to write plus in the next line. Now coming to the 1. Now here 1 is there. 1 should be multiplied with 24, which is 4 1s is 4. Always in a straight line with one finger gap, and 1 2s is 2. Leave one finger gap, and now add the numbers. 8 only. First number 4 plus 4 is 8 and last number is 2. So the answer is 288. Like this you can follow. This method also you can follow. This method also you can follow. Which one is comfortable and easy for you, that one you can solve. Now we have few questions in the exercise. We'll solve them. Exercise number 5. First main multiply. First question is 42 multiplied with 42. The textbook has given the question like this. If you don't want the question like this, you can write here also. How you write the question is left to you. Now first number with 42. 2 2s is 4 and 2 4s is 8. Number below the number I have written. Now first number is over. Before going to the second number, we need to write a plus in the next line. After the first number, in the next line plus. Now coming to the 2. 2 2s is 4 and 2 4s is 8. So 4, 8 plus 4 is 12, 8 plus 1 is 9. Answer is 924. I hope you are understanding. One more I will solve. Second question is 23 multiplied by 13. 23 multiplied by 13. First number is 3. First number is 3. 3 3s is 9. Right? Next number should be multiplied with 3 2s. 3 2s is 6. Now first number we have finished. Second digit is 1. Now we have to multiply with 1. Before that, write the plus. Before going to the next number, write the plus. 1 3s is 3 and 1 2s is 2. Now adding the numbers, what will be the answer? 299. Answer is 299. Still you have one last question in the exercise. We have only 3 questions in this. So 2 I have solved. Try to solve the third one. This is the multiplication of 2 digit without regrouping. If you observe, there is no carry to the next number without regrouping. Now let's learn the same method with regrouping. There will be no change in solving this, only you will get the carry. With regrouping means we will get the carry. Let's see one or two examples. If the number is 24 multiplied with 43. If the number is 24 multiplied with 43. What we have to do first? Which number should be taken first? That is 3, right? Here also 3 4s is 12. If you observe, you get a carry here. 3 4s is 12. If the number is there, first number will be going as a carry and 2 down. 12. 3 4s is 12. 1 as carry, 2 down. We have to take a carry here. Next. 3 2s is 6. But we have one carry. 6 plus 1, it is 7. 6 plus 1 is 7. 3 4s is 12. 1 in the carry and 2 down. 3 2s is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. Now we have finished the first number. before going to the second number, we need to add one plus in the second line. Now coming to the second one, again 4 fours are. We get 4 fours are 16, right? 4 fours are 16. Again we will get one carry there. We will get one carry. 4 fours are 16, 1 carry and 0 down. Next, 4 twos are. We have 4 twos are. 4 twos are is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 8 plus 1 is 9. Leave one finger gap for each numbers so that you will not get confused. Now add the numbers. 2, 7 plus 6 is 13 and 9 plus 1 is 10. Answer is 1032. 1032. Let's see one more example. Now the number 25 multiplied with 12. 25 multiplied with 1. Here also 2 5s are is first number. 2 5s are 10. 1 carry, 0 down. 1 as a carry, 0 down. 2 5s are is 10. 2 2s are is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. Now first number finished. Coming to the second number, plus 1 5s are is 5. 1 2s are is 2. Here only one time we had a carry. 0, 5 plus 5, 10 and 3. So 25 12s are is 300. Right, like this we need to take the carry. Here we have here 2 times and here we have only 1 time. Whatever may be the number of the carry, we have carry once. Right, let's see the exercise. The last exercise, exercise number 6. First one is 37 multiplied by 24. 37 multiplied by 24. Again 4 7s are is 28. 2 will be carried. 8 down. 4 7s are is 28. 2 as a carry and 8 as a number. Next 4 3s are. 4 3s are is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. 4 3s are is 12. 12 plus 2 as a carry, it is 14. Now the next number is 2 plus 2 7s is 14. 2 7s is 14. Again one number we will get a carry. 2 7s is 14. 1 as a carry. 4 down. 2 3s is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. The answer is 8. 4 plus 4 is 8 and 7. 788 is the first number. 788. Like this you need to solve the question. One more I will show and the remaining we can solve. The second one, 43 multiplied by 24. 43 by 24. 4 3s are is 12. 4 4s are is 16 plus 1 17. Next number 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. Now add the numbers 2, 13 and 10. So the answer is 1032. This is for today. The remaining questions try to answer those and I'll end the class here. Next class we'll start with a new chapter. I hope you have understood the 2-digit. Work out the sums in home. Okay, children. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.